The important thing to know about the new team leader course is it's been designed by the EEF, and it's based on our analysis of what the key performance gaps are in a particular target group. Now, what this course looks at is some of the really principal areas that a manager needs to be involved in. And one is about setting people clear targets and goals, then about giving them effective and constructive feedback. And that's the starting point, and then it's about the continuing motivation and engagement of the people who work for them. It's about good communication, being able to get what they want across and get their message clear to the people who work within their team, and also about working effectively in a team with a group of people so you maximise the potential of all the individuals. This course is principally aimed at people who are new in the function. In other words, they may well have been a member of the team and they were technically competent and very good at it, and this could be in a production or it could be in a service environment, and they've been promoted. And in those circumstances, the danger is that these individuals carry on doing the technical part of their job, but the extra demand is the managing people. And that's what this course is about. So it's about people who've been newly promoted. It can also be about people who've been doing the job for a fair amount of time, but never had any formal training and they could benefit from it. And I think the third group is that sometimes people have got managers at this level, and they're not performing as well as they should be, and they may well have had previous training from other providers or in another context. And what this would do is you would know at the conclusion of this training that they've got a base level of knowledge and understanding. I think the key benefits for the delegates attending this course is it gives them a major base foundation in terms of managing and leading staff. And I think often and frequently that's the biggest challenge for people in this role, about how do you deal with people, how do you deal with the staff that I've got. And it gives them this kind of baseline competence across this particular field. I think the other thing that it does is it gives them a confidence boost. It lets them know that they've got the essential requirements. They've been given feedback about what they can do and how they can do it. I think what distinguishes this course from other course providers, and in fact what I think distinguishes the EEF from all other course providers, is that we're constantly engaged with and involved with people in the workplace in terms of managers, businesses, organisations. So we've literally got our hands in businesses and we can see what's happening, we can see what the real issues are. So we're looking at this rather more from a pragmatic view than an academic one. And I think in terms of how our courses are different, there are activities and exercises that relate back to the workplace and allows them to contextualise what they've learned directly to their workplace. It's grounded in reality. It is not an academic program. It is based on what they need to do when they go back Monday morning. And it's also a collection of best practice activity that contributes and leads to improved performance and better success for the business.